Hey everyone, welcome to Video of the Week. Today's video of the week is my top 5 moments of the Teen Wolf TV series in my own opinion. We're gonna go from the bad to the worst moments, and from the worst to the best in the top 5 in a sense. But they're not all bad at all. They're not bad at all, because they're all great moments that epitomize that what and how great the series truly was. But first of all, I want to say all the videos that you're about to see in this episode, I do not belong to own. I do not own them at all. And all rights go to the people that do own these videos and the people that do own the rights to the content that I am showing in these videos as well. So let's get started. Number 5 is Scott says goodbye to Allison.
After the silence, after the last words, caught in the silence, caught in between. After the madness, after the slow show, before the wave hits, I can't. Rushing in, this is about
I can't take your pain.
worse. This is the storm before the storm. I haven't even hit the bottom of this ocean floor. This is the day before the break. This is a mercy. This is the
It's okay. It's perfect. Oh, the others. Oh, my first love.
If I never loved you, if I never felt your kiss, if I never had you, I know that I still would have mourned you, and I would have missed your smile. Was it so worth it? This is a proof of not the faith I tried to find. Should it be good and goodbye? Yeah, should it be good and goodbye? Should it be good and goodbye?
Number 4 is when Scott returns from the dead.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Bringing him back. His heart. He hasn't had a pulse in over 15 minutes. You can't bring someone back that's...
He's not someone, he's my son. And he's an alpha. And he's too strong to die like this. Come on! Open your eyes and look at me, okay? Come on. Breathe, baby, breathe.
Melissa, it's...
Shut up! He's too strong to die like this. Come, you can do this. You're an alpha. You're an alpha. Come on, Scott, roar! Come on! Come on, Scott! Roar!
Number 3 is when Styles and Stydia finally kissed in season 3. I think this was something that a lot of people have been waiting for, because Styles has always had a crush on Lydia since the beginning of the show, and this is something that everyone's been kind of waiting for. So let's get... Number 2 goes to Scott biting Liam. And this was the first person that Scott had turned into a werewolf, so this was such a big deal. So let's get, here we go.
Are you sure?
Go get that son of a bitch.
Hey! Anyone hear that? I heard someone. You don't need to do this. Whatever it is, whatever you are, we can help you. No, you can't. Let me help you. Wendigos don't need help. We need food.
And number 1 has to go to the moment that Scott tried to commit suicide and Styles, his best friend for life pretty much, was there for him and said if he's going to do this, they're going to do it together.
Just listen to me, okay? You're not no one. Okay, you're someone. Scott, you're my best friend. Okay, and I need you. Scott, you're my brother. Alright, so you're gonna do this then. I think you're just gonna have to take me with you.
So that's going to end out this video of the week. But before I end this out, I want to announce the results of the poll that I posted yesterday on what series will be continuing for Tuesdays. Will it be Myth Talk or will it be Pokey Talk. And the results of the poll are that Myth Talk will be making its return next Tuesday and every Tuesday going further. But next Tuesday, Myth Talk will be making its return where I'll be talking about ghouls. Anyways, with that said, next Sunday's video of the week will be my top 10 Disney villains I want to see in Descendants 3. Not the ones that were already in the show, but the ones that I would love to see make their debuts in the series. Anyways, have a great day. Peace. Thank you guys for watching.